The South Carolina Department of Probation, Parole, and Pardon Services wants you to know that as of May 19, 2024, all persons convicted of driving under the influence, regardless of their breath alcohol concentration, are required to have a breath alcohol ignition interlock device, or BAIID, installed in their vehicle if they want to drive. This is an automatic statutory consequence and not necessarily court-ordered. Now, any driver in South Carolina convicted of a DUI offense who decides not to install a device will have their driver's license suspended indefinitely. Regardless of the offense date, in order to successfully complete the program, drivers who participate will be required to complete the full term required of them. It is a device that prevents a vehicle from starting if it detects a breath alcohol concentration over a preset limit. The BAIID is wired into the vehicle's ignition system. The driver must blow a breath sample into the device before it will start. The driver must periodically blow into the device when prompted. The South Carolina Department of Probation, Parole, and Pardon Services Ignition Interlock Program staff will notify you of your eligibility to participate. Prior to installing the breath alcohol ignition interlock device, you must also enroll in the Alcohol and Drug Safety Action Program. If you are seeking an ignition interlock restricted license, you must install a BAIID. It is imperative that South Carolina DMV has your correct address on file. Drivers with an Ignition Interlock II restricted license must have an ignition interlock device installed on any vehicle they drive. Failure to do so is a criminal offense that could result in criminal charges. Your participation in the program begins once you have obtained the II restricted license. When the device is installed, you will be given an installation certificate. Next, please ask a licensed driver to drive you to your local SCDMV office. Present the installation certificate to SCDMV to obtain the II restricted license. Thereafter, you may only drive a vehicle that is equipped with a BAIID. The Ignition Interlock Device program is administered by the South Carolina Department of Probation, Parole, and Pardon Services. If you have a question about your eligibility, please contact us